In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flight tickets online in Nigeria. This video is basically for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. So you need to have an airline you want to travel with, right? So I think you can select, right? Go and make some research. There's APs, there's United Airlines, there's a whole lot of them, right? So let's say if I want to use United Airlines, I'm going to click on this, right? Wait for it to open. If this opens up right now, if you click on this right here, you can see there are some options here, right? So if you click on your bookings, if you have previously booked, you're going to see your tickets here, right? So there's no bookings for now. So what if you love to book a flight for yourself? Just click on this, book a flight, select, choose your currency, right? So there's the USD, there's an NGN, right? So select where you're departing from. So let's say if you're departing from, let's say Anambra to, you're going to fly to, let me say Lagos, right? You're going to choose a travel date. So if I want to travel on the 31st of May, click on the done, right? You're going to select, if you're the only one that's going to be traveling, right? You can select, it can be 1 or 2, right? So if it is 1, it's okay for you, right? So click on search flight. So you're going to see some flight options, right? So I don't think there's no travel on Sunday, on Monday, right? So you're going to see from Saturday, right, to Tuesday. So if I select Tuesday right now, I wait for it to gradually load up, right? So I'll wait for it to load up. It will give me just a few minutes, right? So yeah, this is it. I'm going to select any of these, right? I'll just click on this, click on choose flight, right? So wait for it to load up, right? So okay, yeah, so it's gradually loading up right now. So I'll wait. Yeah, so you can come on here, you can add passenger details, right? I can just come on, I can type in Mrs. Let me say Joy. Oh, I'll be like Mrs. Joy Andy, right? You can just type in your phone number, right? Type in an email address. Andy. This is basically for educational purpose only, right? So click on the save, right? So you're gonna click on continue. So this is not my profile. This is basically what I'm just showing you guys, right? If you want to do this, so you can see there's the flight traveling from Anambra to Lagos, right? You're gonna click on this. You're gonna select your seat, right? Choose your seat. Choose the seat you wanna be in the flight, right? So I'm gonna wait for it to load up. It's gonna load up gradually now. So these are some seats right here. If you look up, you're gonna see some seats are available, right? So these are some seats here. So you can select any seat you want, right? So you can click on this. Yeah, so select seats, right? So according to the seat number, if you enter your airplane, you're gonna be asked where is your seat number, right? So from what you chose here, you're gonna be given a seat number, right? Particularly. So I'm gonna wait for this to gradually load up now. So I'm gonna click on the continue, right? So the next thing we're gonna do now is to agree and pay, right? You're gonna agree and pay, and I'm gonna pay within 9 minutes, right? So you're gonna see the terms and conditions, right? So this is everything you need to see. So if you click on this agree and pay now, you're gonna make your payments, right? So yeah, you can see this is my booking flight ticket, right? I'll go to home. So if I click on this, if I click on my bookings, this is my flight ticket, right? This is my flight ticket. But yeah, this is basically an educational video only, so I don't think I'm going to be needing this, so I'm going to just remove it, right? So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm going to be seeing you on the very next video.